So today we are at Kepong, and this is a very famous part of Kepong, mainly the Happy City Steamboat area lah, which is also very close to back then Tesco, but now rebranded as Lotus already lah. Now this is a location very famous for makan, and as you can see right now it's about lunchtime, 12 p.m. right? Full house. Okay, this kopitiam over here, this coffee street right is full. And practically the crowd over here is majority Malaysian Chinese lah. So we'll walk around real quick and just kind of show you what's there in the amenities section of this particular area. Okay, so now if you go through this interjunction over here, further down the road is already at the famous Desa Park City lah. So a lot of people like to call this place the place whereby, hey, I want to stay near Desa Park City, or I want to stay in Desa Park City but cannot really afford Desa Park City, then they will come and stay in this region of over here. But this is also a very well-developed, well-established place already, and it's also it hosts a lot of this very old-school eateries, a lot of place for you to makan lah. So if you stay here, really don't have to worry about makan or looking for like banks, because everything here is just so well-established already. I think it's a very convenient location. You really have everything you need over here. You want grocery, you have an actual grocery over here. You want to watch movie, you have a cinema over here. On top of that, you want Chinese food, and Kepong one are famous for good Chinese food, right? All around the vicinity. So if you're somebody that likes to have like, you know, just be very close to where you live and where you stay, right? Then this, I think, very convenient for you to look at lah. Amenities wise, this is the 10 out of 10. Okay, so today we are going to East Park. Coming into the visitor car park. Oh, visitor car park on the first floor itself. So convenient. Okay, now this is the dual key unit. So what a dual key means, right? It has two units into one entrance itself. Now today we'll be seeing the big one, which is the 3-bedroom layout, and then this studio one I believe is already tenanted by someone else lah. So we'll see over here. Wow, this is an insane layout. Just look at this. I love the fact that it has a huge window. It's like end to end over here, right? So essentially you have almost the view of, if I believe this is correct lah. Okay, this is the Genting punya view. Okay, on the left side over here is all the way to your famous Desa Park City, and then on the right side over there is to your Jalan Ipoh, Jalan Kuching, Sentul area lah. So looking from the balcony itself, you have a very big view. Directly also below the swimming pool, above the swimming pool. And then you look over there, that is your Genting punya area. Today is a bit dusty or a bit smoggy, right? You can't really see much, but essentially it's that direction lah. Okay, so the thing I really don't like about this place is that if you open this wide open, and because you're situated right next to the highway and heavy traffic from this Kepong exchange, it's going to be like this lor. So if you're sitting down here trying to relax, to have some breeze, right? Watching TV also, you need to have soundbar lah. Kalau don't have soundbar, very noisy. The kitchen area is also very big. I like the fact that they actually built island over here, so essentially you can just like sit down here, chit chat, makan. It's very convenient space lah. And also because they made it in a way whereby everything is situated on one side only, very convenient as you enter the house, right? It also gives you that very open view of the entire living common area lah. Washer dryer, and this part over here is just concealed area, right? There's no yard area that actually opens up for you to have extra ventilation. So it's a rather very focused towards the washing machine and drying only lah. Now I believe this was a study room area, but this owner decided to make it like a storage punya area lah. As you can see, this room is rather small, right? Okay, really not too much space, so it's more of like a walk-in with your wardrobe or your study area over here lah. This is the toilet. This is the common area toilet lah. What is really odd is that this landlord decided not to put a mirror here. Maybe he already know that he's very good looking, so he doesn't need these things, right? And then over here, toilet-wise, rather standard lah. Nothing too fancy, nothing too much. And I like the fact that they put this over here for you to kind of get a storage area on top of this. Bedroom number 2, okay, with a nice built-in wardrobe over here already. And also similar to the balcony just now, it has the same view to the highway lah. Now, some people may like this because of the natural sunlight. I also do appreciate that, but if you're next to the highway, a bit susah sikit lah, because noisy kan. Okay, so this is the master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom on its own. Cabinets across the entire house is quite similar in terms of the theme and the color scheme that they chose. I also like the fact that they actually do plaster ceiling and put some track lights over there, or LED lights, right? Which kind of gives it some sort of very modern design look lah. And over here is also facing towards the highway. So two of the main rooms that we have sought just now, right, along with the balcony, is facing this highway. So you want to go out, sebelum you bangun already, you straight away know, oh jam hari ni tak mahu keluar lah, work from home. Now this is the only toilet with a mirror over here. So I think he only uses this one over here for to groom himself before he leaves for work lah. But the other room don't have toilet. But beyond that, I think toilet is toilet lah. Really nothing much to see lah. Now this is a very interesting squash court. I never seen a fully transparent one before. Looks very nice. Also can be used for pickleball lah. So if you want to practice pickleball, you can train here. Directly outside the East Park residence, you actually have this area over here, and it's mainly for food. And I believe there are some offices inside here as well lah. So we'll just walk by and have a look real quick. So you can see from here there is a bar, and it also has a restaurant over here. So a bar and a restaurant. On top of that, this is a Wisma FEMA, I guess, okay? And it basically hosts a few office towers lah. Yeah, so it actually has a few office buildings inside. On top of that, there is a restaurant on the left and a restaurant on the right. Both of them also bars lah. So for the people that loves to drink and work where you are, right, East Park directly connected to your house also. Quite convenient, huh?
This is not like this. This is dun 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 dun.